I got this dolly. I'm about to show you how I can lift this box up, but this is a really versatile dolly. It's well made. It holds up to 600 pounds. Okay, so there's different modes here. I'll show you the first mode. The first mode, I'm just gonna pick up this box like this. Standing up, and you just have these big wheels here. Gonna lift this up. This is a typical way to do, like maybe if you don't have less of a load. Obviously I could lift up to 2 or 3 boxes on this, no problem. Our UPS driver does this all the time. And you can get a pretty good load doing it this way, but if you have a heavier load, there's a better way to do this. So let me show you how I would do this. Okay, so this other way, let me fold this down just like this, okay? And then put this down like this, and then this thing comes up. And you extend this by pressing this button, and now all of a sudden, now I've got all 6 wheels down. By the way, there's brakes on these wheels. You can see this, you can put these down if you don't want it to move. So if it's temporarily, like what if you have a big load on it, you're kind of waiting on something, you can lock this down if you want to. And this thing will go all the way down like this if you want to, or you can just have it upright, which is really cool as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this box, for now I'm just gonna put this just like this, and you can put whatever box you want to on it. Obviously, make sure you lift it right. I like that it also has this little place here as well, so you actually can have like a little platform for your stuff. And now look at this, so easy. So this 600 pounds would be a lot easier to pull doing it this way as well. So these casters are really nice. It rolls nice and smoothly. And by the way, when you put this wheel on here, make sure to put the raised part of the wheel on the inside, not the outside, because if you do it the wrong way, this thing is not gonna close properly. If you wanna extend this, you can do that as well by pulling this out further, okay? So you can pull this out further, just like this, and now you have more. You can actually go out just like this, yeah. So now you have a lot more space. So you can actually lay this down if you want to, this way. So there's obviously a lot of options here. So if you have something that's like a little higher, like vertically, you can do it that way. I love the versatility of this. You have several different positions that you can use this for, which will come in handy. I move a lot of boxes for my business, and I help people move a lot. We're always moving furniture or whatever it is. So I'm really glad to have this. I'm gonna use this a lot. I was given this in return for a review. You should check this out.